All right, folks, welcome to the video. Anthony Speciale here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Super excited to share this trade with you. A trade I personally took that yielded just over $12,000 intraday. And how did I confirm that we were making a double top? That's right. Hawkeye volume showed me very clearly that we had suffered a volume climax at the prior high for the session. All right, so we're going to talk about what that looks like. We had a volume surge right there, and we had the prior high for the session right there. Notice what took place as we pulled in to this area, and we were unsuccessful in what? Going higher. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom in here in just a second so you can see. Notice this climb here in volume, right? But failure to make a new high, right? Notice that big push up in volume, right? And notice this candle. We probably closed roughly at the 50 percentile mark. And what did the market do from there? It took an absolute dump. That's right, guys. Volume climax at what we were identifying as a double top, live in real time, not only trading it myself, but doing this in front of other traders trading live accounts. So there's some validity to this, all right? In the blog post, I'm going to include the video of how the trade transpired, how I managed it, and when and where I took profit, totaling just over $12,000 as I exited this trade. All right, guys, this is the real deal. All right, so it's really important that as you take the time and work your way through this, that you really pay attention, because this is game changing for me, and it should be for you. All right, there's only two things that matter to me. That's volume and price action. The rest is irrelevant. I don't care how much crap you have dancing across your screen. It's all worthless when you understand the interaction between volume and price action. So I want you to take the opportunity to study my trade as it took place. Okay, when, where, why, and how I managed it, where I took the profit, how I advanced my stop, continued to pay and protect myself. But it all started with what? Understanding a volume climax was occurring at the session prior high. Okay, I mean, I'll zoom in here where I marked off. Okay, I got a Hawkeye wide bar right here, super strong selling. I went to the wick of that, and then again, notably strong selling right here. So I've got a strong reversal candle here. I got a wide bar here. All right, I can even kind of adjust that so that it looks a little more perfect. So that's my zone, right? This is my prior high. Okay, and when I go over here, what do I have? I have this super aggressive buying volume with what? No follow through into an area of supply or resistance. Well, guess what? Market absolutely took a tank. All right. So what I'd like you to do, if you would be willing to give me just a little bit of time, I'm going to place a link below this video. Okay, right below it. I'd like you to click on the link. I'd like you to join me inside a training webinar. Me and you, okay? I am going to spend a little more time in depth, right, going through this volume and price action relationship. Because as soon as you understand it, guys, you will have the aha moment that I had, all right? I was relying on some indicator to do the job for me, right? I was relying on some program or algorithm to do the job for me. I spent tens of thousands of dollars trying to find something to do the job for me. And then I realized, I looked in the mirror and said, hey, dum-dum, you have to be the one to do it. And the only way you're going to do it is to understand the relationship between volume and price action, right? That relationship consists of the interaction between aggressive buyers and sellers, okay? So You can enter the market one of two ways, right? You can be aggressive or you can be passive. I want to know where the aggression is transpiring, and when it's transpiring at certain levels, right? Sometimes it's a key higher time frame level. Sometimes it's as simple as this, the prior high in the session. Understanding what's happening, when, where, and why, when you see such a massive increase in buying volume, but no follow through, that to me screams reversal. Okay, now I identified this live in front of other traders trading live money, so I want you to know this is not hindsight. Right? I also want you to know that I took this trade myself, and that's why I'm going to include a video with it inside the blog post, because I think it's super important to watch. So click that link below, join me in the training webinar. We're going to discuss this concept a little bit deeper. From there, I'd like to get the Hawkeye volume printing on your charting platform. It works on TradeStation, TradingView, NinjaTrader, also MetaTrader. You can trade stocks, futures, forex, cryptocurrencies. This relationship exists among all of them. You can day trade, swing trade, and position trade by understanding the interaction between buyers and sellers, when, where, and why. And I want to help you understand that, right? Trading is a wonderful business. Once you've figured it out and you've become fairly consistent and disciplined and successful and profitable, it's great, right? Like, it's this like amazing thing. The journey to get there was very cluttered along the way, but understanding volume and price action is what created clarity, right? And now I want to give back to other traders and help them get there as well. So click that link below. I'll see you in the training webinar. We'll get the indicators populating on your charting platform. We'll get you access to the Hawkeye Volume Mastery Series, so at your own pace, you can continue to study this concept over and over and over again. All right, guys, I'll see you in the training webinar. God bless. Thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to seeing you succeed as a trader.